Sorry.
Relax.
Thanks, Jennifer.
Good morning.
Morning. How long have you two been together before you got married?
1 year.
Gerald, where's the first place you met Gina?
I saved her from the dog that wanted to bite her. But she didn't know that she's the one who took a big bite out of my heart. And I never forgot that. I never forgot her.
So you're a romantic. What's the most romantic thing you've done for your wife?
I made her breakfast.
That's the most romantic. What side of the bed does she sleep on?
Left.
Right.
I mean, I'm sorry, I forgot. I sleep on the right. He's right.
Moving on. Gerald, what type of face cream does your wife use?
A beauty cream. I just forgot the brand name.
He forgets a lot.
How many girlfriends did you have before you got married?
Just
None.
one.
What I mean, sir, is that I never had a serious relationship before. Before Gina. The one girlfriend that my wife was talking about is like a high school puppy love, so I don't count it as a relationship.
I'm not asking you to explain your answer.
I'm sorry.
Actually, the question was for Gina, your wife.
I'm sorry again.
Gina, can you answer the question?
What he said. Just one ex-girlfriend. Gerald, medyo hindi ako confident sa interview natin kanina. You know what? I don't think na-convince natin yung immigration officer natin.
Ako rin eh. Puro palpak nga yung sagot ko, di ba? Pasensya ka na. Kinakabahan talaga ako eh. Di ko naman alam na puro ganun pala yung tatanong nila.
It's okay. Kabado rin naman ako kanina. Bawi na lang tayo sa next interview. Sa home visit na. I think kailangan lang natin mas kilalanin ng isa't isa. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumalpak. Ang dami niya ng sakripisyo ni Betsy. Hindi ka pwedeng ma-deport.
Sige.